Here's an app called Neku, make avatar sticker. So yeah, let's just tap get, double click to install it. And here it is, hand-drawn cartoon your social network profile icon, create self-portrait cartoon face and style your profile avatar. I guess so. These are like if you want to create your anime like custom avatar. So 12 months, $5 per month, or weekly $7. But let's see if they have at least some. All right, so I can just claim. And then I just want to create a new avatar. So here you just roll the dice and you kind of create different types of avatars. So seems like that, yeah, there are a bunch of avatars which people are creating. So this is how you can just get started. And then also have your stickers, and then there are bonuses. And then, yeah, you can tap to login. So yeah, that's the app where you can get some rewards and deals. So that's what it is. Try it out in a quick nutshell.